What's going on, Big Bang family? It's your boy Big Bang Joe, and today we're going to be talking about a credit union that offers high limit credit cards. And when I talk about high limits, I'm talking about up to $50,000 on one credit card. But before we get started, if you're new here, make sure you leave a comment down below and let me know that you're new here. Not only do you need to let me know that you're new here, you need to smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bells because you know I'm going to be dropping videos just like this every single day, and you don't want to miss it. But if you've been here before, you know I don't like my time being wasted, so I'm not here to waste yours. So we're going to get right to it. All right, so this credit union I'm talking about today, as y'all see, is UNIFY Financial Credit Union. All right, so with this credit union, like I said, they offer high limit credit cards. But first and foremost, I want to talk about this. With some credit unions, you have to jump through hoops to join, and like Navy Federal, it's a bunch of things you got to do to join Navy Federal. But with this one, their membership is open nationwide. So that means anybody can join. So I want to let y'all know that first and foremost. And also, it's no hard pull to your credit. So, you know, different credit unions, they'll pull your credit just to join, like PSCCU. They'll pull your credit for you to join them. But this credit union, you don't have to do all that. So you don't have to waste a hard inquiry. And another good thing that I figured out about them when I joined is they will actually let you use a credit card to deposit money into your checking and your savings. So the max limit is $2,000 in your checking and $2,000 in your savings. So if you have a welcome bonus that you need to, you know, achieve to get a cashback bonus or something, just some type of bonus, earn some extra rewards on a credit card, you can use this credit card to liquidate in the UNIFY. So all you got to do is use the card to sign up, put $2,000 in your checking, $2,000 in your savings. When the money deposit, just get the money and deposit, and then pay your credit card off with it, and then you'll get that welcome bonus, right? So, and it didn't show up as a cash advance. So that's something that's a quick gem for y'all to use if y'all want to liquidate some funds, or even, you know, get a welcome bonus for a credit card that y'all have. So a data point y'all want to know is when y'all apply for something, they're gonna pull from your experience, and once they pull your credit, just know that you can use the same exact hard pull for 30 days. So that means that you can get a credit card and they'll pull your credit, and if you get approved for the credit card, if you want to go for an auto loan, you can go for the auto loan. And guess what? They're not going to pull your credit again. If you want to go for a line of credit, they're not going to pull your credit again. So you can get multiple products with just one hard inquiry for 30 days when you open this account. All right, so we're going to go to the credit cards because that's what we're talking about today. So as y'all see here, it says credit limits up to $50,000 for one of their credit cards, and it's up to $50,000 for another credit card. And the other credit card is up to $14,999. This one is $4,999. Obviously, the lower tier ones is for like lower credit. If you don't have good credit, the higher tier ones is for higher credit. All right. Obviously, if you got bad credit, you're probably not gonna get approved for the credit cards that have the max limits on there, right? Like $50,000 limit. So you want to have decent credit. I always tell y'all that when y'all apply for this stuff. And obviously, with credit unions, you can build a relationship, and then they'll be able to offer you, you know, with bad credit, some products that you can do. So just by having a relationship with the credit union. But as y'all see here, with this Visa Engage Rewards credit cards, there's no annual fee. It's limits up to $50,000. It's a variable rate. They have debt protection, warranty manager service, travel emergency assistant, and auto rental collision damage waiver. So you can rent a car and you don't have to get the extra insurance on that car. You can just use your credit card and you'll be covered. So with this card, the Visa Platinum, they offer, it's no fee, $50,000 max. It's a fixed and variable rate, and the debt protection is optional. Warranty manager service, travel, it's really the same thing, right? And then they got a Visa Gold. It's up to $14,999, no fee, and it's pretty similar. And the real difference is the limits, the max limits, and with the Visa Classic, they don't offer the warranty manager and the travel assistance in emergency. So what y'all want to know about getting access to these cards is they will potentially ask you for proof of income. Like they'll ask you for something like pay stubs. That's what I've been seeing happen to certain people. They get asked for pay stubs, but it's possible that they won't ask for proof of income, right? But if you are able to prove your income, obviously you can go for whatever you want, but you should just be aware that if you can't prove your income, you shouldn't, you know, go for the max stuff, because obviously they might ask you for income and you ain't gonna be able to prove it. And I'm currently a member, and I was actually pre-qualified for some cards. So what happened was I had an account for about 2 months, and then I went into my app and it showed me that I had an offer for an auto loan and some credit cards. And so that shows me that when you have a relationship with them for a while, they'll start offering you credit products. So if you know, I have pretty good credit. I had about a 753 when I seen that offer, and on my experience. So if you don't have good credit, I would recommend you to build a relationship. So because obviously they go off of relationships, because they didn't offer me any credit products before. But after I had established a relationship with them, I deposited some money. Obviously, I did it with my credit card, like I told y'all, or I wouldn't, be able to tell y'all that. And, they were offering me certain products. So y'all want to know this. They're new account sensitive. So you don't want to have too many recent accounts when you apply for them. Obviously, these are personal credit cards, so they will report to your personal credit. These aren't business credit cards, but if you're going for personal credit cards, it's cool because they offer high limits. And when you get high limits, it's going to look better to lenders. They're going to see that you can manage high limit credit cards, right? You can manage debt, and if you paying them responsibly, it's going to boost your credit score, right? And it's going to look better to other lenders that are looking to offer you money. So if you want to go for the Visa Engage cards, you want to have good credit, I recommend over 700. Same thing with the Platinum. But the Visa Gold and Classic is for people who have 600 credit scores. Just it's not very high and you're working on your credit right now, you could go for those credit cards. But if you have your credit is popping, these are the credit cards you can go for. Obviously, like I said, I was offered a credit card when I had the account for about 2 months. So y'all can look forward to doing that. And later on, I'll make a video about the auto loans. Y'all let me know down in the comments if y'all interested in learning about the auto loans and how I got approved for a 50K auto loan. If y'all interested in that, let me know. So if y'all do have UNIFY, y'all let me know down in the comments. If y'all have a credit card with them or any products with them, let me know down in the comments. And, let me know your data points. Let me know what your credit score was. Let me know, how many accounts you had. Let me know, so on and so forth, right? When I was pre-qualified, I had a 753. I didn't have, I had no inquiries. On my experience, my experience stays clean because I always get the inquiries removed. I had no inquiries. My new accounts, I probably had about 3 new accounts when I was pre-qualified. And what else? That's about it. So I know that you can have new accounts, but you don't want to have too many new accounts. But I was probably pre-qualified because I got good credit. But anyways, if you have this, let me know down below. If you don't have this and you decide to go get this credit card and you get approved, right? Let me know your results so we can come celebrate your wins with you. Let me know if they ask you for pay stubs. Let me know if they don't ask you. Let me know if you just get approved from stated income. We want to know the data points below. And with that being said, I appreciate everybody watching. Don't forget to punch that subscribe button, hit that like button, and make sure you leave a comment down below and turn on your notification bells because I'm dropping videos every single day and you don't want to miss it. But with that being said, always remember, the top ain't going nowhere. You just got to get there. Let's get it.
Had to go and get it. Steady grinding just behind the scenes. I've been on a mission. Gotta touch him by any means.
Said we can go high for all.